Hello guys, today we're gonna play some fucking Clash Royale because today we are gonna open the fucking clan chest. Yes, today we're gonna open the clan chest. I'm so excited. Well, first of all, I need to make more crowns for my clan. So I'm gonna make my deck a little better, and I'm really going to hope that I will get a legendary or some shit like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. You're here this Alright, let's do this first because it's my favorite push. Do this. And then I have a mirror, and I can mirror every single one of my cards. So I can mirror everything. So fuck you. Oh, thank you. You didn't kill my wizard, you fucking idiot. Don't do it. You piece of shit. Fuck you. This is what you get for attacking my wizard. You get a world of pain. Come on, wizard. Come on, wizard number 2. Come on. Ah, fuck. So close. I was so close to getting the free crown. But now I need to make a new push. Again. Well, fuck my life, eh? So he drops his Valkyrie shit over there. I drop my Harry Potter over here. Dudes, I called the wizards Harry Potter because Harry Potter is a wizard, so yay. Well played, Harry Potter. Piece of shit. Hey, you're not gonna get any crown now, bitch. 8 life points on my tower, and I still kicked ass. I kicked so much ass. Oh yes. I can already taste that. I can only taste it. Who gives a shit about that? I'm going for the battle. I don't give a shit about anybody right now. I'm going for the battle. I'm gonna make that fucking crown chest, and we're gonna get some OP fucking cards. Oh yeah, OP fucking cards. Yes, I can taste it already. I can taste every single card already. Oh, you have a golem? I have skeleton army. I'm gonna counter your fucking golem. Fuck your golem. Your golem stupid. My golem is OP, your golem sucks. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Come on, wizard, do good damage. Do me a... I fucking hate this guy. I hate him already. And because of him, I need to delay my win. Fuck. I'm not accepting a loss for everything because I will win. I'll get my clan chest, our clan chest, and I won't give a fuck. I'm gonna steamroll now. I'm gonna steamroll this fucker. He has some high... Wait. Ah, fuck my life. I have... Oh, yes. Oh, shit. In my boots. I'm gonna take down that tower. Fuck his tower. Like I knew it. I knew I'm gonna take down the tower, but now I need to get that tower or that tower. I'm going for the middle tower in a couple seconds. Come on, come on. That's right. You know, you can get one of my towers, but I want to win. So I hope he arrows. Come on, use your arrows. No, use them. He used the arrows, and I have my minion horde. Fuck you, you piece of shit wizard. No, fuck you, you suck. No, man. Fuck you, I'm not letting you get a single crown right now. No prisoners. Fuck you, bitch, no prisoners. Fuck you. Man, so close. I was so close to getting that tower, so close. How much? Oh, we already got it. Well, it's time to get... Let's get something awesome. I can get 2 cards, 2 epics, 75 rares, and a lot of... Oh, yes. Nah. This card sucks. Thank you. This is it, man. Lava Hound and my... Yes. This is it. This is what I'm doing. This is the real deal. I play this fucking game. This shit. Yes. Fuck you all. Whoever. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I win. I have 2 legendaries. Fuck yeah. Suck on these, bitch. Suck on these. Suck on these. That's it. That's it. Yes. Fuck yeah. Oh yes. Let's make one of the decks. I already know how to make them because I already saw it in well, every game I played. All air deck. Nobody has counter for the all air deck. Well, now I have finally a reason to upgrade my fucking balloon because my balloon sucks. Well, here's my reason. And now, let's play. Please. 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 Yes! Fuck you all. That's it. Who's your daddy has a new motherfucker in his deck? Oh yeah. I have my new motherfucker in my deck. Oh yeah. I have a new motherfucker in my deck. Oh yeah. I have my new motherfucker in my deck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got my new motherfucker in my own deck. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck my life. That's gonna be heartbreaking. Well, that's fucked up. No, really, man, that's fucked up. I finally get my new card and he fucking kills it. No, if you kill my card, I'm gonna kill yours. Fuck your sorry shit. So what? You're sad because I did that? Well, fuck you. You killed my lava hound, you piece of shit. I really don't care. He's in my clan. He killed my lava hound. I'm mad about that. I hate you. He has a counter to my deck, so fuck my life, eh? Come on, double elixir. Come on, double elixir. Come on, double elixir. I need my double elixir shit. I need my double elixir shit. Alright. Well, fuck you then, bitch. Dude, you're zapping my lava hound. The lava hound has a lot of fucking HP. You cannot kill it with zap. You can only kill it with fire. Yeah. Yeah. So close to death. Well, fuck you then. Fuck you. Well, no, not him. I mean the fucking skeleton army. I hate skeleton army. And I use it in my deck, so surprise, bitch. Showtime. Showtime. Don't give a fuck about your showtime, Mr. Wizard. Come on, kill my balloon. Fuck you. So close. Well, this is gonna be, well, no. Well, at least I got my new epic legendary card. Who gives a shit? Well, I'm gonna make my new fucking deck because this deck sucks. Alright, now we are back. Actually, I'll kick somebody who didn't do shit. Like, no. The legendary demote and fucking kick his sorry ass. He didn't do shit. Alright. How much did I do actually? Let's see. 300. Whoa, 362. Man, that's nice. But this guy did. Holy shit, this guy did a lot of shit. I'll literally kick out the people who don't do shit in this clan. So, if you are in our clan and you don't do shit, I will fucking kick you out. I really don't give a shit who you are. If you don't do at least 7 crowns, look at these people. They only did 3, 1, 1, 1. But these people did 0. So, kick those fuckers out. Even these people who did 1 crown or 2 crowns, they can stay because they at least did something. But the people who didn't do shit, kick those sorry fuckers out. Bye guys.